In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Salesforce. We're going to walk through the exact clicks to get your new Salesforce username and password set up, starting from a fresh browser window. I'll keep it simple and add helpful context so you know why each step matters and what to expect on the screen. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Sign Up Salesforce, then press Enter. In the search results, look for the official Salesforce site. Make sure the link clearly references Salesforce and uses the trusted domain before you click. This helps protect your information and keeps you on the legitimate sign-up flow. On the sign-up page, you may see an option to log in with my Salesforce account. That's useful if you already have credentials. Since we're creating a new account, choose the link or button labeled Get a Salesforce Username. This begins the new account flow and takes you to a short form. Enter your first name and last name exactly as you want them associated with your account. These identifiers appear in your Salesforce profile and in some system emails, so accuracy helps. Next, add your email address. Use an inbox you check frequently because you'll need to open a message from Salesforce to finish activating your account. Now pick a username. In Salesforce, the username looks like an email address and must be unique across all Salesforce users globally, not just within your company. Many people simply reuse their email address here, which is fine. If you prefer to choose a different email style username, that works too. Just make sure you can remember it. If the one you enter is already taken, the form will prompt you to try another variation. Open the country selector and choose your country from the list. In the example, United States is selected, but pick the country that matches your location or your organization's location. This helps Salesforce tailor regional settings and comply with local requirements. Enter your company name. If you're an individual or just evaluating the platform, it's perfectly okay to enter your own name or your team's name. This label helps identify your organization in the system for future access and communications. Before submitting, look for the checkbox confirming that you agree to the terms and privacy statement. Take a moment to review that text, then check the box to proceed. You may also see an optional marketing communications checkbox. Choose what fits your preference. When the form looks complete, click Create Username to submit it. A confirmation screen should appear indicating that Salesforce has sent you an email. If you see a button that says Check your email, go ahead and select it. Then switch to your inbox. Open the message from Salesforce. If it doesn't arrive after a couple of minutes, refresh your inbox and check spam or promotions folders just in case. Inside the message, click the Create a Password link. This will take you to a secure page to set your new password. Follow the on-screen rules, typically a mix of length, numbers, and special characters, and choose a strong password you haven't used elsewhere. Confirm it to continue. Depending on your region and security settings, Salesforce may ask for additional verification or security questions. Simply follow the prompts on screen. After your password is set, you may see an option to return to Partner Sign Up. Click that to return to the page where you initiated the process, then select Continue to Partner Sign Up to move forward. This completes the loop and ensures your new username is recognized as you proceed with any remaining profile or organization details. At this point, your Salesforce username is active, your password is created, and you're ready to sign in. If you ever need to revisit these steps, pause and replay the relevant section. Once you're logged in, you can begin exploring Salesforce, configure your profile, and start setting up the tools that fit your workflow.